Hello, KC3YFZ. Listen to my lack of ability of CW, but one of our members, Estuardo, took some plans off the web and built a little pota CW Kia paddle, and we're going to try it out right now. And again, I have no idea what I'm doing, and that's all that matters. What I did have to do is I removed the plug out of the back of the paddle, and I soldered in an old USB line, 4 channels, and then connected that into the ICOM. Then went online, had to figure out how to do it so we can give you these connections. So anyway, here's what we got.